In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use group chats on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram application and there at the top right hit Add DMs icon. Now all you have to do to create a group chat is to hit on that icon. And from here, you can add people to your group chat. You can select some person from suggested, in that way just check mark it, or you can use search. For that, you can just hit there and start typing the person's username, and you can add it by hitting on plus sign. Now, once you're ready, just hit on that chat button to start conversation with selected persons. Also, there you can hit add conversation name, and there are a bunch of different options. Like here you can set a group name, I'll write test, and also you can change theme, add there some notification settings and other options. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.